Remember life before Nano.
Okay, what way was north again? Oh, it's Pine Avenue, not Pineapple Street.
Hey, let me do it. Seriously?
Hey, Nano, take us to the nearest Italian restaurant.
Hey GPT, can we get a pepperoni from Bella's Pizza?
Yes, Bella's Pizza does serve pepperoni pizza.
Nice weather, huh?
It's so sunny. Even your car might ask for sunscreen.
Hey, Nano, play my romantic playlist on Spotify.
Do we seriously only have one good album? Hey GPT, plan a day trip to Edinburgh.
Let's start with a morning walk up Arthur's Seat for panoramic views. Then we'll hit the castle.
Hey Nano, how long until we get there?
ETA, 44 minutes.
Play Silly Cats video on YouTube.